Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Smith and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then welcome. I'm so glad you found me. I have a Dollar Tree DIY for you today. In today's crafting adventure, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful Christmas ribbon wreath. For the month of July, I'm going to be doing a special series called Christmas in July. Over the next 4 weeks, I'll be providing you with new Christmas tutorials to help you get jump started on the holiday season. Let me show you how to make it. You're going to need a 14-inch wreath form from the Dollar Tree. This one just happens to be silver, but you can use whatever color you have. For this wreath, we're going to be making 2 separate ribbon bundles. This is how you make the first one. I'm going to be using 2 rolls of this one. Red, it has some snowflakes and some little white swirlies on them. And I'm going to be using 1 roll of this one. And this is red. It has some green and white stripes on it. And then I'm going to be using 2 rolls of this one. It has a white background and really pretty red poinsettias on it. And you'll also need some pipe cleaners cut in half. You need to cut your ribbon at 9 inches in length. And for each bundle, we're going to be putting 5 ribbons in each bundle. So I'm going to be doing 2 of the red with the snowflakes, 1 with the pattern, and then 2 with a white background and the red poinsettias. Now to put together your bundles, you just want to find the center and you scrunch it together. And then you want to alternate how you lay things down. Keep it pinched in the middle. So I'm going to start out with them crisscrossed. And I'm going to take the single ribbon, scrunch that in the center and put it right in the middle. And then I'm going to alternate whatever I did on the first one. Like the white is on this side, so this time on top I'm putting it on this side. And then same thing with the other. Okay, once you have them all in the center pinched, you want to take half a pipe cleaner, wrap that around your center, pull everything forward so you can get it nice and tight. Make sure it's even, pinch nice and close and give it a good twist. And then you want to fluff out your little bundle, and that's just go down to where it comes out, open it up. So the nice side is facing up, and then you just want to lift it up and then have it bend at the end like that. And then you just want to separate all of your pieces so that it's open and it kind of looks like a flower. In the description box below is a detailed list of all the tools and materials I used to complete the project. Now, I thought this would be a good technique because I know a lot of people have a hard time finding any deco mesh at Dollar Tree. So this way, they always have ribbon. Pretty much always have ribbon, I should say. So this is a great wreath that you can do. You can do for any holiday or season. And it's very nice. So 10 rolls of ribbon, a package of pipe cleaners, and a wreath form. And that's all you need. So you can see how I'm just kind of opening everything up and kind of giving it so it kind of lifts up and curls at the end so you can really see that ribbon. Make 12 bundles of ribbon. For the second ribbon bundle, we're going to be using this ribbon, which is white, and it has all kinds of Christmas words on it, holly, Merry Christmas. You'll need 2 of those. And then I have this webbed red ribbon. You'll need 2 pieces of that. And then 1 again with the white background and the red poinsettia. You put them together the same way. You need 5 pieces per bundle. And just alternate. If you enjoy craft tutorials and learning new craft techniques, please consider subscribing to my channel. I do upload new content every week. And if you hit the notification bell, you'll be the first to know whenever I upload new content. Wrap your pipe cleaner around, pull it to the back, get it tight, and twist down. And this is what your second bundle will look like. Make 12 bundles of ribbon. To attach your bundles to your wreath form, you will be attaching a bundle on every crossbar on the 2 bars on the outside, all the way around, and 1 in the middle. Then on the inside, in between each of those bundles, you will place another one. So each section will have 5 bundles, 1 on each crossbar, 1 in the center, and then on the 2 bars on the inside, 1 in between those 2. So a total of 5. So to start with, I'm going to attach it right here on the crossbar on the 2 bars on the outside. Okay, so just pull it back, give it a good twist. And now I don't want this to slide, so I'm going to take one of those pipe cleaners and wrap it around so it stays right on that crossbar, and then twist it down again. Now it's up to you. I always push my ends forward. Once you get everything on there, you're not going to see them. If you don't like that, you can always trim them shorter. And that is what the first one looks like. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do a section, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. So I have one section done. It looks nice and full and very pretty. Now when you turn it over, you can see I have 1 attached to each crossbar, 1 in the center on the 2 bars on the outside, and then 1 on the 2 bars on the inside in between each of those. So a total of 5. And as you can see, that fills that section out nicely. Once I fill in the rest, it'll even be fuller. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish the base, and then I'll come back and show you the finished product. And here we go. We're all done. I think it came out absolutely gorgeous. Now I made a total of 24 bundles, and there were 5 pieces of ribbon per bundle. And I used a total of 10 rolls of Dollar Tree ribbon. I am very happy with how it came out. Once I organized my ribbon this year, I found I had so much leftover Christmas ribbon that this was the perfect way to use it. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and show me some love in the comments. This really does help support my channel. Thanks again for stopping by. You know, it's always a pleasure to see you. I hope everyone is staying happy, healthy, and strong. You have a great day. I'll see you next time.